Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me I just made a video on the Twirl tool, and then somebody sent me an email how to get something with the Twirl tool symmetrical on both ends if they were doing something like this. Well, there's really no way to do it with the Twirl tool, even though you can go right to that midpoint and go for however long you want and then change the direction of your twirl and go to that exact spot supposedly and do it. You're not going to ever get them perfect. So the way to do that, once you have this one like you want it, and on this particular case, I would take the shape tool and maybe delete some of these nodes. Whoop, that didn't look very good. Maybe leave it alone. Let's say that's what you want. Well, all you have to do is, and this is a little bit funny because now it's longer than 15 inches, but let's unlock our ratio and let's make it 15 inches long. That's what it started out as. And then Control D and make a duplicate and then mirror it. And you see where I'm going here. Now take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And now both your twirls are identical to do whatever you want to with and however you want to do it. I mean, they're perfectly identical because all you did was just mirror it over. I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.